In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a Revolut Esim. If you've ever wanted fast, reliable mobile data without swapping physical SIM cards, an eSIM is the way to go. It's a digital SIM you install on your iPhone, perfect for travel or adding a separate data line alongside your main number, all from inside the Revolut app. Start by opening the Revolut app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar, type eSIM, and then select eSIM under Products. This takes you straight to Revolut's mobile data options so you don't have to dig through settings. Next, choose the data plan that fits your needs. You can pick a plan for one country, an entire region, or go with a global plan if you'll be crossing borders. Select the amount of data you want based on how much you expect to use, for example, light browsing versus maps, video calls, or streaming. If you're traveling, double check that the country or region you're visiting is covered under the plan you select. This helps you avoid surprises when you land. Once you've picked your plan, proceed to checkout and pay for it right in the app. When your purchase is successful, you'll see the option to install eSIM. Tap Install eSIM. It's best to keep a stable internet connection during this part so the installation doesn't pause or time out. Now tap Activate New eSIM and allow the activation. Your iPhone may show a brief spinner or message while it configures the mobile plan. Give it a moment to connect to the network provider associated with your Revolut plan. This connection process can take a little time, especially on first setup, so just let it finish. When the activation is complete, you'll see Mobile Plan Setup Complete on your screen. Tap Done. You'll then be asked whether you want to set this eSIM as your primary line or use it for another purpose. Choosing it as your primary line means calls, texts, and data can default to this plan. If you prefer to keep your existing number for calls and texts, you can keep that as primary and use the Revolut eSIM mainly for data. Tap Continue to confirm your choice. That's it, your Revolut eSIM is now active on your iPhone. You should see your signal appear shortly, and your phone will follow the preferences you just set. Enjoy easy, flexible data wherever your plan applies, and remember you can return to the Revolut app anytime to view plan details or explore other options. Thanks for watching and happy traveling.